In previous video, we have seen how to create Hello World application in Google Cloud Platform from the Python doc samples. Today, let us see how to deploy application by using Google Cloud SDK. You can download Google Cloud SDK CLI from this page. My OS is Ubuntu. Here I am selecting the Ubuntu. Follow the steps. Run this command sudo apt get update. Copy the second command. Run this one also. Then to install Google Cloud SDK, copy this command and paste here. It is being installed. Successfully installed. To check that, we can use this command, which gcloud. It is installed here. Installation is completed. This is optional step we can leave. Run this Google Cloud init to configure Google Cloud account. Gcloud init. Yeah, we need to sign in with our Google Cloud account. This is my Google Cloud account. Continue. Hello. You are now authenticated with Google Cloud CLI. These are the projects in my Google Cloud account. We need to choose one of the project as default project. Here I am choosing Hello World, project number 3. Your current project has been set to Hello World. Configuration also completed. Suppose if you run Google Cloud Init once again, you will get this screen. Reinitialize this configuration. And select account. Select project. Here it is 3. Let us deploy one simple application in our Google Cloud by using Google Cloud SDK. I have my app in this gcloud app folder. So navigate to path of that our gcloud application. Now we have to type this command gcloud app deploy. Do you want to continue? Yes. files are being uploaded to cloud storage. See here app.yaml, which is the configuration file, Python version 3.9, and this is the web application we want to deploy on Google Cloud. It is deployed. Now we can browse our application by using this command gcloud app browse. This is the output. Google Cloud Hello World.